Hello, welcome to KV Globe Affairs. Myself Kavya Singh. Today we will discuss weekly current affair from 22nd August to 28th August. Now the first question is, recently which district of Uttar Pradesh has been decided to be developed as a perfume tourist destination? Kannauj has been decided to be developed as a perfume tourist destination. So the right answer is option A, Kannauj. Next question. In which state has the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman launched the Chief Minister Microfinance Scheme? The Chief Minister Microfinance Scheme has launched in Nagaland. So the right answer is option D, Nagaland. Next question. Recently, who will be awarded the Sahitya Academy Yuva Puruskar 2022 for the novel theorem? So for the novel theorem, the Sahitya Academy Yuva Puruskar awarded to Bhagwant Anmol. So right answer is the Bhagwant Anmol, option A. Next question. In which state the first case of a virus named tomato flu has been found? The first case of tomato flu has been found in Kerala. So right answer is option D, Kerala. Next question. In which All India Police Aquatic Championship Madhya Pradesh has won bronze medal? 71th Police Aquatic Championship Madhya Pradesh has won bronze medal. So right answer is the option A, 71th. Next, in how many engineering colleges of Madhya Pradesh arrangements have been made to study in mother tongue Hindi in BTech syllabus and in diploma syllabus of polytechnic colleges? So the right answer is option A, 6 in 6 colleges of polytechnic and engineering college of Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Who has recently been appointed as the 49th Chief Justice of the country? So 49th Chief Justice of the country is Justice UU Lalit. The right answer is the option B. Justice UU Lalit has been appointed as the 49th Chief Justice of India. Next question. Where will India's first 3D post office be built? India's first 3D post office will be built in Bengaluru. The right answer is option A, Bengaluru. Next question. By which year did India achieve the target of net zero emissions has been announced? So the right answer is the option D, 2070. In 2070, India achieved the target of net zero emissions has been announced. The next question. Next. Who became first Indian to win Lusane Diamond League title? Neeraj Chopra became first Indian to win Lusane Diamond League title. So the right answer is option A. Neeraj Chopra, gold medalist in Olympic 2021. Next question. 17th Non-Resident Indian Day 2023 in January next year. Where will it be held? 17th Non-Resident Indian Day 2023 in January will be held in Indore. So the right answer is option A, Indore. Next question. Which Indian state or union territory has launched the Parivar Kalyan Card scheme? Means PKC scheme. So the Parivar Kalyan Card scheme has launched in Uttar Pradesh. So the right answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Defense Research and Development Organization? Means DRDO in 2022. So the Samir V. Kamath has been appointed as the new chairman of DRDO in 2022. So the right answer is option A, Samir V. Kamath. Next question. Which Indian economist has been appointed as the executive director of Indian at the International Monetary Fund, means IMF? So the right answer is option A, K. Subramaniam. K. Subramaniam has been appointed as the executive director of IMF. Next question. Which leader has been awarded the 2022 Liberty Medal? Vladimir Zelensky has been awarded the 2022 Liberty Medal. So the right answer is option B, Vladimir Zelensky. Next question. Which dance is listed on UNESCO's Intangible Cultural Heritage List? Garba dance is listed on UNESCO's Intangible Cultural Heritage List. So the right answer is option A, Garba. What is the name of the 3.5 kilometer long freight train which was recently test fired? Super Voski was the recently trained freight train which was recently test fired. So the right answer is option A, Super Voski. Next question. Chandigarh International Airport has been after whom? So the right answer is option A, Bhagat Singh. On the name of Bhagat Singh, Chandigarh International Airport has been named. Next one is, which state government will develop India's first education township recently? So the Uttar Pradesh government will develop India's first education township recently. The right answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Who has been recently appointed as the Inspector General of Security Forces? So the right answer is option A, Praveer Chhabra. Praveen Chhabra has been recently appointed as the Inspector General of Security Forces. Recently, on which river is the Atal Bridge built in the discussion? So, on the Sabarmati River, Atal Bridge built. Right answer is option A, Sabarmati River. In which state Moksha Dham scheme has been started recently? So, Moksha Dham scheme has been started in Himachal Pradesh. So, the right answer is option D, Himachal Pradesh. Next, in which state Gram Defense Guard scheme 2022 has been implemented recently? So, in Jammu Kashmir, Gram Defense Guard scheme 22nd has been implemented recently. So, the right answer is option D, Jammu Kashmir. The next is which state government has recently signed a scholarship agreement with the British High Commission. So, the Jharkhand government has recently signed a scholarship agreement with the British High Commission. Right answer is option A, Jharkhand. Next question. Which state has recently continued anti-narcotics force for illegal liquor drug trade? So the right answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. UP has recently constituted anti-narcotics force for illegal liquor drug trade. Next question. Where has the hydrogen-powered passenger train started recently? So in Germany, hydrogen-powered passenger train started recently. So the right answer is option A, Germany. These are the today's question which we have discussed. Now today's question for you all. Comment below the right answer in comment box. Who is Amrita Amma? So there are four options. Option A, social worker. Option B, former governor. Option former judge. Option D, former chief justice. So please comment the right answer in comment box. And thanks for watching.